Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. I just finished my design team project for Tooks CraftTable, and I used her Woodland Path digital kit, which I will link in the description box below. So what I did was I was inspired by my friend Cheryl, who did a live video, I believe it was yesterday, on how to make this box. And I used Tooks vintage collage paper from her vintage collage kit. I believe that's what it's called. I'll link that one as well. So I made this box. And then I used one of the pages from the Woodland Path kit for the front cover. I did a little layering. It's got a Velcro closure. The box opens up. And then inside is a cute little notebook. I think it turned out adorable. And I used 2 layers of felt, and I sewed it with my sewing machine, and there's a 3-hole pamphlet stitch binding. And I used one of the pages from the kit. I just tore out and sewed on a cute image from the kit. And then I did print the pages full size. I guess I could try to reduce it, but I went ahead and I printed full size, and then I just tore out pages. I used all the pages from the kit, and I just tore it to size, and then I did a little stenciling on the back side so you could still journal on it. And this is a great little notebook journal. I believe that it would be nice even for a gentleman. So girls and boys, I think, would enjoy this notebook because the colors are, you know, browns and muted, and it's woodsy, outdoorsy. And I didn't count the pages. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 40 pages, front and back. And in the center, I tied a little key, which I thought was adorable. And there's all kinds of ephemera and pockets and things in the kit. So you could definitely embellish the pages. You could add pockets in the inside cover. But I just kept it pretty plain and simple. Not really plain, but I kept it simple. And I think it turned out adorable. So this is my design team project for January for Tooks CraftTable. I will link the kits below, the 2 kits that I used, if you'd like to check them out on Etsy. And until the next video, stay safe, be well, take care, and all that good stuff. Bye-bye, friends.